What's going on? I'm Greg Dewar, owner and broker of Dewar Realty, and we are now on stage 2 of the kitchen renovation process, the rebuild. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm not going to keep going until you have liked and subscribed to this video. Seriously. Like, subscribe, click. Okay, so I have completely demolished the original kitchen and now we're going to rebuild this space with entirely new finishes and appliances, effectively adding over $50,000 in value to the home. So let's break down what we did and how much it costs. First, we did electrical and plumbing. Make sure that you leave this one to the professionals. And for this reno, we added a ton of pot lights and under cabinet lighting to brighten up the space and actually move the kitchen sink to accommodate the new kitchen layout. This step cost roughly $4,300 for the rough-in, all of the fixtures, and finishing installation. Once you've had the electrical and plumbing roughed in, it's time to start the drywall. For this project, repairs were needed once the wall was removed, so we brought in an experienced drywaller to repair the area and skim coat the entire ceiling in the kitchen to give it a flat finish. This step costs about $1,350 for labor and materials. So next, we did the flooring. The homeowners had recently tiled the front foyer, so we chose to use the same tile in the kitchen. And this helps to keep a sense of continuity in the home's main living areas. And this step costs about $3,180 for labor and materials. And the star of the renovation was, of course, the kitchen cabinetry. Timeless white shaker cabinets were chosen for the renovation, and to give the kitchen a more custom look, we chose to have crown molding to the ceiling and a light balance molding on the bottom of the cabinets. This stage of the renovation was the biggest expense at $23,200 for cabinets and countertop. Once the cabinets and counters are in, it's on to the backsplash. Originally, the homeowner chose a mosaic tile, but due to issues with material availability, the plans changed and we landed on this nice handcrafted subway tile instead. The material cost for this was about $250 a square foot and labor was $800, bringing it in at $1,180. Finally, it's finishing touches. The whole main living area was repainted in this renovation as well, and the homeowners wanted to update the space to look bright and stylish. So we chose a very light neutral color and black finishing accents, which should do well for resale value with today's current design trends. And surprise, when we finished ripping up the old floor, we did uncover that the patio door had been leaking, probably for quite some time, but we solved it by having a local window installer come and replace the damaged wood and install a new patio door with a warranty. This surprise cost about $1,750. The reality is, unexpected problems do happen when you're renovating, and this is why you should always have a contingency budget for any potential issues that might occur. So that brings the total renovation cost in at just under $35,000. Now that we've rebuilt the entire kitchen from the ground up, it is time for the fun part, reevaluating this home's value and establishing how much equity we added. Did this renovation add more than $50,000 in value as the homeowners were hoping for? Find out next time on Renovation Allocation, and as always, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.